Hello students, welcomes you. Dear student, in the previous video we discussed about a thermometer is known as clinical thermometer. By using clinical thermometer, we find the temperature of the human body. कि how to measure the temperature of human body. So in the previous video we discussed a activity through which we explain कि how to measure the temperature of human body. There are so many other types of object are there. It may be very hot or it may be very cold. बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट है जो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडे होते हैं in our lab or other in area. तो how to measure the temperature of other type of object? They are hot or they are cold. Now for this purpose we use another type of thermometer. This thermometer is known as clinical thermometer. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Clinical thermometer. You see that there is a red line inside it. तो red line indicate the mercury level. Okay. तो dear student, also discuss about the range of this thermometer. Now you see that कि range in the last point there is 10 degrees Celsius. 10 to 0 means this 10 is negative, minus 10, and the upper goes 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 110. The range of thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius range. Then the highest range is of temperature in laboratory thermometer is 110 degrees Celsius, and the lowest range of temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. This is the limit of laboratory thermometer between minus 10 to 100 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो लिमिट या रेंज हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि रेंज कितनी होगी इसके अंदर? रेंज इज minus 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज द रेंज ऑफ द लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर. अब इसमें क्वेश्चन आता है कि जो स्मॉल डिवीजन होते हैं हमारे पास, स्मॉल डिवीजन, हम उसको किस प्रकार से मेजर कर सकते हैं? हाउ मच ए स्मॉल डिवीजन इन थर्मामीटर? तो यू सी दैट कि 0 आफ्टर 0 इज 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. देयर आर स्केल आर गिवन. तो दिस स्केल इज गिवन 0 to 10, 10 to 20. दैट्स लाइक, तो I will show a single line of there. minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Now the division part is between 0 to 10 there are 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. One line is big. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 और अगेन फिर ए लॉन्ग लाइन. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द डिवीजन पार्ट. नाउ आई विल शो ए बिग लाइन. देर इज 0, देर इज 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last is 10. Okay, this is the small division. So in this part we see that there are 10 lines. How many lines are there? 10 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 lines and 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. This is 0 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius. Next one is 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius and so on. तो we see that कि 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 10 पार्ट्स. 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. तो इट्स मीन 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 1 इक्वल पार्ट. जो एक नेक्स्ट पार्ट होगा हमारे पास वो किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस के इक्वल आ जाएगा. तो ये था हमारे पास अबाउट द थर्मामीटर. नाउ next activity, next part is हाउ टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द टैप वाटर, जो अपने टैप का पानी होता है उसका हम टेम्परेचर किस प्रकार से मेजर करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए थर्मामीटर. लेट्स वी डू इन एक्टिविटी पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स वी डू फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी कि हाउ टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ टैप वाटर, कि जो टैप वाटर है उसका टेम्परेचर हम किस प्रकार से मेजर करेंगे. तो लेट्स वी डू एन एक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, टेक सम टैप वाटर इन ए बीकर और मग. तो आई हैव ए ग्लास एंड इनसाइड ए ग्लास आई विल टेक ए टैप वाटर. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज dip the thermometer in water so that bulb is immersed in water. Bulb means that bottom part. That red color indicate the bulb of the thermometer and this red is a mercury inside the bulb. But it does not touch the bottom and the side of the container. जो ये बल्ब है ये बॉटम और साइड को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो नाउ आई मर्ज इन दिस. ठीक है, तो मैंने ये पानी के अंदर डिप कर दिया है. तो दे आर फ्री फ्रॉम द बॉटम एंड फ्री फ्रॉम साइड ऑफ द कंटेनर. होल्ड द थर्मामीटर वर्टिकली. जो थर्मामीटर है वो कैसा होना चाहिए, वर्टिकली डायरेक्शंस के अंदर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, बल्ब ऑलवेज इनसाइड द थर्मामीटर. ऑब्जर्व द मूवमेंट ऑफ मर्करी इन द थर्मामीटर. जो रेड लाइन है, रेड लाइन, इट गोज अप गोज डाउन. तो वी ऑब्जर्व द मूवमेंट ऑफ द मर्करी इनसाइड द थर्मामीटर. वेट टिल द मर्करी थ्रेड बिकम्स स्टडी. जैसे मूवमेंट करता है तो उस मूवमेंट को हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है और वो मूवमेंट जब से रेस्ट में आ जाता है, मतलब जो मर्करी लेवल है अगर वो रेस्ट में आ जाए तो उस कंडीशन के अंदर हमें क्या करना है, नोट डाउन द रीडिंग ऑफ थर्मामीटर. नोट डाउन द रीडिंग ऑफ थर्मामीटर. तो इन दिस पार्ट वी सी दैट कि मर्करी कम्स टू रेस्ट एट द लेवल ऑफ 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. हाउ मच इज 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस वाटर टेम्परेचर इज 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ you also see that level of mercury is 30 degree Celsius. The reading part is tap water temperature is 30 degree Celsius. This is our first activity related to tap water. So this diagram indicate that कि one is thermometer, red part indicate the mercury level, laboratory temperature, beaker, bulb of thermometer. This part is bulb and the tap water inside the beaker. Now let's do second activity. Now activity number 2 कि हाउ टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ हॉट वाटर. तो अगेन टेक सम हॉट वाटर इन बीकर ऑफ मग. आई रिप्लेस द टैप वाटर और इंस्टेड ऑफ और आई विल टेक हॉट वाटर इनसाइड ए ग्लास. अगेन सेम प्रोसेस इज देयर कि डिप द थर्मामीटर इन वाटर सच दैट द बल्ब ऑफ द थर्मामीटर डज नॉट टच द बॉटम ऑफ द glass and side of the container. Hold the thermometer vertically. कि hold the thermometer vertically. Okay. Observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer. Now I will observe continuously the mercury thread goes on increase and increase. It goes on increase. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. It takes few minutes to comes to rest, or I see that it comes to rest. Note down the reading of thermometer, or you also see that there are red part of thermometer is at 45 degree Celsius. How much is 45? You notice that if I remove the thermometer from the tap water, then mercury level goes down as soon as fast. So you notice that as soon as you take the thermometer out of water, the level mercury begins to fall. This means that temperature must be read while the thermometer in water. We always measure like this. If a hot object are there, cold object are there, we cannot remove the thermometer and to measure the temperature. We always measure like thermometer inside the hot water and we measure the temperature of the hot water. So in this part we find that temperature of hot water is 45 degree Celsius. 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है, तो जो रेड मरकरी पार्ट हमारे पास है वो किस पॉइंट के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है? एट 40 डिग्री 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज इंडिकेट दैट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द हॉट वाटर. ठीक है, तो यू राइट एंड यू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ हॉट वाटर. नाउ let's we do in third activity. Now dear student, now our third activity number third, how to measure the temperature of ice and ice water. So you see that inside the glass there are some ice or it filled with water. Process are same. How to measure the temperature of tap water, how to measure the temperature of hot water, and how to measure the temperature of ice. In three activity we see that the mercury level goes on high, goes on low, and so many parts. ठीक है, तो in case of hot water we see that temperature is 45, tap water is case is 30 degree Celsius. Now this one is ice. So again we dip the thermometer inside the ice. You carefully observe this point and you see that the mercury level goes down. This red part and this red part comes to at rest. It's 0 degree Celsius. I see that the temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius. You see that. You pause the video and zoom it and you see that the temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Process are same. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. Note down the reading of thermometer. Now I see that the temperature goes down to 0 degree Celsius is -1 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius. The ice temperature is, ice and water temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. It's amazing for us. We see that. Again temperature goes down. -3 degrees Celsius, dear students. -3 degrees Celsius. You see that. You see that level of mercury at -3 degrees Celsius. Now mercury comes to rest. You notice that if we remove the thermometer, you see that if I remove the thermometer from the ice, then mercury level goes on rise. It slowly goes on rise. So you notice that as soon as you take the thermometer out of ice water, the level of mercury begin to rise. Level of mercury is rise. तो note this mean that temperature must be read while the thermometer inside your hot water, cold water or tap water. We always measure temperature like this. Now our reading for this purpose is, so how much read? Note down the reading is -3 degrees Celsius. How much is -3 degrees Celsius? -3, 0, ये 10 पॉजिटिव था, ये 10 नेगेटिव है, ये -3 होगा, ठीक है। -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस इनसाइड ऑफ वाटर। क्या हमारे पास है? हॉट वाटर के कंपैरिजन क्या लिया हमने? आइस, ठीक है। टेम्परेचर ऑफ आइस, आइस एंड आइस वाटर इज -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो दिस इज द आवर third activity. It indicate you think that you see that the temperature mercury level inside thermometer goes on increasing. I see that it comes to 15 degrees Celsius, and after few times this mercury level comes at the room temperature, ठीक है। It show that our room temperature कि how much room temperature is now. It also measure the temperature of the surrounding also. If we take in outside from the room, so it measure the temperature of surrounding. It's 20 degrees Celsius. If we take 1 or 2 minutes also for observe it कि how much mercury level rise inside it, so we observe, and here we write the temperature, room temperature. Now the room temperature, we also measure the room temperature with the help of laboratory thermometer. It goes on high, slowly it's be increasing. So dear student, we also see that कि in case of room temperature or in case of outside surrounding temperature, there are difference in the temperature. It's slowly increasing. It's come at 24 degrees Celsius. Observation, we regular it observe कि there will how much are changes is there. 24 and it comes to at a rest position. Now the room temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Now dear student, if I take outside from my room and I will observe कि how much temperature is there, and again I will show you after few minutes. Now the student, I observe the temperature of outside, and outside temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, and our room temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, and outside surrounding temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. You see that the difference between the room temperature and surrounding temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, ठीक है। If I measure the temperature at 12 PM, so it may be more much temperature as comparison to now. So this is all about the activity part 1, activity part 2, activity part 3 कि how to measure the temperature of hot water, cold water or ice by using the laboratory thermometer, ठीक है। आप इसको नोट करें, राइट डाउन करें, नोट्स प्रिपेयर करें, एक्टिविटी राइट करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।